Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing Sadie's nails because she wants a ladybug design, and I thought that'd be fun to do a video on. I know that people have asked like, what kit did you get and how do you do your little girl's nails? We're getting closer to Christmas and it's not a bad Christmas gift idea if you wanted to do your girl's nails. And it's just a little bit easier than nail polish in a way that they want to sit still because they want to put their hands in the light and sit as still as they can till it's done, compared to nail polish where they want to just like jump around and go play instantly and then their nails get all messed up. So this is perfect because as soon as it's cured, it's done. And so we're gonna do, you don't want red, you want pink? Or you want red?
I want pink.
You want pink. So she wants a pink ladybug design. Do you like this pink? Okay, so we're gonna take this hot pink. This kit is about a year old and it has been awesome. It's lasted me like this whole entire year perfectly. And you can tell the light has been well loved. We're gonna start by buffing her nails. She'll take this buffer. It's taking the shine off of her nails so that the gel polish will adhere better. And just while I'm buffing her nails, I figured this would be a good time to show you the kit that I got. I didn't pick this kit for any particular reason, except for that it came with every single thing I needed to get started, and it was only like 30 bucks. So it looks like they've updated the light a tiny bit since I got it. There is now a 120-second button instead of a 5-second button. So mine has a 5, 30, 60. This was a 30, 60, 120. They've also added a matte top coat, which is awesome. She does really awesome with it, and it lasts a little longer. Little girl nails are still pretty soft, and they don't hold the gel polish as long as mine would. Okay. But it's still fun. It's still so cute. We're gonna start with our base coat. Sadie, how was your day?
Good.
What's been your favorite part?
Nails.
Your nails?
Mm-hmm.
Cute. Okay, now we're gonna stick this in the light. Tell her to keep her hands kind of spread out, her fingers spread out. We're gonna push 60 and we're gonna let it sit in there for 60 seconds while we buff her other hand. So it's good because you're kind of keeping her busy. She doesn't have a lot of time to wander around because you have to use both of her hands. Oh, she does get very tired though while we do this. Every time we do her nails, she's like, okay, I want to fall asleep. But that's because my kids don't sit still long enough to ever realize they're tired. And so when they do sit down long enough, they're like, oh. So now she can take this one out and just set it still because it is a little tacky until you do the top coat. So we don't want her to touch her hair or her clothes. Wait, hold still. So now we're gonna be done with the base coat. I'm gonna make sure that's on nice and tight. Then I'm going to, well, this one cures for 60 seconds. We're gonna do this one. So now we're using our hot pink.
Pink. Mom, I love that hot pink.
Good, I love it too. I haven't had to re-dip at all because she has such tiny nails. So just make sure you're doing an even coat on all of her nails.
Violet and Sienna will be so excited.
Violet and Sienna will be so excited. Those are her friends that are like 8 years older than her, but they're so sweet. They always paint her nails. And now we're gonna switch hands. Sadie, can you switch your hands? Keep your fingers spread apart. Switch your hand, take your hand out. Okay, put that one in there. Good. Push that button. And look how pretty. Usually, I mean, we could leave her color like this and it's so cute. It's beautiful. Oh, don't push it. It'll ruin your nails. Don't push it. But to keep the nail a little bit stronger, do 2 coats, just really lightly. If you do it too thick, it's not gonna cure very fast and it won't work as well. So just do some thin coats and just do as many as you need until you like the color or whatever. So you can kind of see the difference between 1 coat and 2 coats. And if you like the look better of 1 coat of color, then just leave it like that and you could do 2 coats of the top coat just to give your nail more strength. I think it'll help your gel last longer, but you could probably do 1 coat of color and 1 coat of top coat and be fine.
I don't want to do my toesies.
Oh, you don't undo your toesies? Yeah. Usually if we do her hands and then we try to do her toes, she falls asleep.
Got my eye.
Okay, now when this one turns off, when this one turns off, we're gonna switch. And then before we do the top coat is when we're gonna do our design. Put your hands in, switch your hands. The cool thing about this coat is like now it's cured and it might be a little sticky. I don't want her to go play yet, but if I do a design on here and I don't like it, I can just wipe the whole design off and the pink coat will still be fully intact. So that's why I love doing designs on gel compared to nail polish, because it doesn't dry until I'm all done with it, then I can cure it. So I just get like an old box. I'm gonna drip the colors that I wanna do on there, which I think we only need black.
Need black.
We need black. Maybe we need white if we wanna do some eyes. But I'm gonna
I'm
put,
gonna do eyes.
you wanna do some eyes? So I'm gonna put a little dot right there. You probably can't see it at all. And if you're wondering why her high chair is so dirty, it's color. It's hair color. So she's not just eating on this dirty thing. It's cleaned. It's been cleaned with soap and water. Just it's stained. They're all excited that Jack just got
Am
home.
I done yet?
So you can use this little toothpick. Almost. We're gonna do some, we're gonna do some dots. But I'm gonna start on the fingernail furthest away from me because then I'm not gonna ruin any of it. So keep your, how about let's put it right there. Perfect. Sadie, this is so cute. We're gonna just do some dots.
That one.
Yep, you gotta just hold real still though. Okay, put your knees. And if they start having a hard time wanting to sit here anymore and they're like, ugh, I'm done, it's okay to bribe them. Once you start something, you just want to finish it, right? So I told her she can have some ice cream when we're done. I'm not going to spend a ton of time doing these dots, just cute little dots on here.
Yeah.
So now on this nail, we're going to do a straight line down the middle. We're going to try.
Ladybug is not
And just draw a little line right here. And then we're also going to add some dots on this one and the next one. Hold on, let's put your hand right here. Good job. Now we're gonna cure this hand, and then when we're done curing it, we're gonna put the eyes on it. So put it in, put it in. So cute. Now we're gonna do this one. And just because I don't want to waste time, since this one's done and this isn't, I'm going to just put 2 little white dots on here for the eyes and then keep doing this one so it can cure, so we don't have to waste cure time.
Mama, white dots?
White dots for the eyes.
Oh.
Those are those 2 cute little white dots. Can you see it? Cute. Okay, put it in. Now we want the white to cure before we do the top coat, and we're going to keep doing the black. Good job. And now we're gonna put on the top coat, and your nails are gonna be so cute. This top coat is awesome because once it's cured, it is done. You don't have to get an alcohol wipe and wipe off any tackiness. It is just nice and cured and soft and awesome. You want to make sure you stay off the skin and off the cuticle as much as possible, otherwise it'll lift when it's done curing. Okay, is that one done? Let's switch. Okay, so that's her last time in for that hand, and then we're gonna put this one on. Oh, we gotta do the eyes. I almost forgot the eyes. I can take all the white off and the black stays good. That is my favorite part about gel.
My feet.
Okay, so we're gonna wait for that one. And then while I put the oil on this hand, I'm going to cure this, and then I'll put the top coat on this hand as soon as I'm done with the oil. Take this one out. Here, put this one in. So now this one is all done, and she's done, and she can go play, and these won't get ruined, and it's awesome. But I always put this little oil on just to make her nails nice and shiny and her skin nice and soft. And that is so cute. Look how cute. Okay, so now her eyes are going to be done on this one, so let's do the top coat on this one real quick. Put your hand in. Try not to let her knock it on the light because it'll ruin the nail, so try to just put it in really nice and gently, straight, so it doesn't hit any of the edges. And then once this one's done, she's all done. So this, I have to just hold her hand in here, make sure she doesn't move, because otherwise she's like, all right, I'm done, and then we ruin the rest of it. Okay, hold on, now we're gonna put some oil on this hand. You wanna rub them together? And there you have it. Look how cute these are. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more how-to videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye.